Hi everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and at Country Peony I focus on simple and inexpensive crafting projects and whimsical spaces. And so today I've got a really simple craft for you. We are going to be making this adorable ghost ornament for Halloween. And it doesn't have to be just an ornament. You can also attach a stand to the back to make some really cute ghost for your Halloween vignettes. And so I created this ornament for my Halloween Christmas tree. So what is a Halloween Christmas tree? So this Christmas tree, I put it up a year ago here in the Country Peony studio. I love it so much. I had a really hard time putting it down. And so I asked my readers if they thought I should decorate it year round. Well, they agreed with me, and I have decorated it for Valentine's Day, for spring, for summertime, and now for Halloween. And I will link all of those old blog posts in the description below so you can see those videos. But it has been so much fun. It has brought me so much joy. So if you want to see how to make your own ornament for your own holiday, Christmas, Halloween tree, then come along. Let's make a cute ghost ornament for my pink Christmas tree in the Country Peony studio. Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I'm using these adorable wooden ghost cutouts from Woodpecker's Crafts. The first step is to paint them in your favorite color palette. Once it is dry, hot glue 2 eyes made out of craft felt to the front. Lastly, twist a thin wire into a loop and hot glue it to the back of the ornament. Make sure that you add enough hot glue to hold the ornament up. Once the glue is dry, hang the ghost onto your Halloween holiday tree and enjoy. I love how cute and whimsical these decorations turned out on my pink Christmas tree. Who says Halloween has to be scary? Because my decorations are so cute. I'd love to know, what do you think? Thank you so much for following along today. I hope you feel inspired to start decorating for Halloween in your own way. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, please visit my blog, countrypeony.com. I would love to have you there. And also, if you found any of this inspiring today, please feel free to subscribe here on YouTube. Until next time, happy crafting.